didn't get was when I tied this rope to it and pulled it up like I did the silo. Like when you get it all jacked up on the truck, this is still stuck in the ground from where I propped that underneath it and drove out from underneath it. And then I drove around there, tied the rope to my truck, and pulled it up. So, sorry I didn't get that on video, but you never know, maybe I'll stand up another pole and get it. So, but anyways, just wanted to clear all that up, and hope everybody's having a blessed, great day. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. If you like it, like it. If you want to see more, hit the little notification bell. It'll tell you when I post a video if you're subscribed. But thanks so much. Y'all have a great day, and I hope you enjoy. Pounds under each leg. But that's just to get this level and to get the next one over here next to it. And then when I get them attached, I'm gonna have pretty much 80 pounds under each leg, I guess as a footer you would call it. And then when everything's settled together, connected, bags under each foot, I'm gonna pour a slab around everything, like 6 inches up from the bottom. So this build so far is pretty much free, you know. If you're in the construction trade, you know, you'll see a lot of the stuff I use. I've been collecting since, I don't know, 20 years old. Me, my brothers, my dad, we would always, you know, one of the saddest things about our country is the amount of stuff we throw away. We would see stuff going in the dumpster on the job site, and we would take a trailer to work and just load it up. And you'll see probably a whole bunch of that stuff getting used.